The accessories for replacement buckle are all here. First, adjust the webbing on the left side. Separate the webbing through of the female buckle from the bottom to top, and insert the screw in the middle of the webbing. Tighten the screw with a hex wrench. Next, adjust the webbing on the right side. Thread the webbing through the slot of the female buckle, and then pass the drop-shaded pin in the middle of the webbing. Insert the screw in the middle of the pin. Tighten the screw with a hex wrench. Now we finish all the replacement. Now we try wearing it and check if everything is secure. If so, you can cut off the original buckle and remove it. If test everything is okay, you can cut off the original buckle and remove it. Now try wearing it again. Make sure everything is secure. Even when you wear in your gloves, it's also easy and convenient to open and close.